So hello student friends, I hope you are understanding or you are getting the concepts of these min terms and max terms. Just to recall, in the last lecture we had seen how we can form a standard SOP or standard POS expression from a given truth table. Okay, and we have also verified the equivalence of SOP and POS. So we can say that for the same truth table we have same equations, SOP and POS equations, right? So just continuing our yesterday's discussion about having this logical expression of gates using min terms and these max terms, right? So we'll try to verify the logical expressions of gates. So in very first few lectures, first lectures of this logic gates, in the starting lectures of logic gates, we have seen different gates and their expressions. Okay, just to recall, we had seen AND gate, right? And the expression for AND gate is AB. Then we have seen OR gate. The expression for OR gate is y equal to a plus b. Okay, now we had deduced or we had taken these expressions from concepts, right? Like concepts like AND means multiplication, OR means addition, logical addition, logical multiplication. Okay, so in this video lecture, let us try to verify these expressions from our previous concepts, that is a given truth table and find the logical expression. Okay, so here we will particularly go for SOP form. Okay, so let's see that concepts here. So first is our AND gate. The truth table of AND gate is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and output column is 0 0 0 1. Okay, now considering SOP, we say that SOP corresponds to binary 1. So here we would be going for the entries of truth table having output as 1. So जहाँ पे आउटपुट 1 होता है वो एंट्रीज, वो इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशंस को अगर हम चेक करते हैं, ओके, तो इसमें से कौन सा है? द लास्ट वन. ओके, एंड वी नो दैट फॉर SOP if it is 1 or if it is A, then it is represented by 1, or said it another way, if it is 1 then it is variable itself, and if it is 0 then it is variable's complement. Okay, now for this input combination you can see that this is 1 1, means this is A and this is B, right? So here it is A and B, so simply it is AB. Okay, so y equal to AB, and that is what we have seen this. Okay, now again if we go for this OR gate, so AB 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and this is y. So the output here is 0 1 1 1. Now since again it is SOP, this one we have to go for the output column having entry as 1, right? And if it is 1 then it is variable itself, if it is 0 then it's the variable's complement. Okay, now let's see this, how we can solve this, because here we are having these three groups, three entries. Okay, so first say y1 is 0 1, means it is a bar b, y2 is equal to a b bar, and y3 equal to ab. Okay, so y equal to, since it is SOP, we need to have summation of all these, y1 plus y2 plus y3, right? So then this becomes y equal to a bar b plus a b bar plus ab. Just we'll try to solve this, because our expression for y equal to what we have seen conceptually is a plus b. Okay, using Boolean laws, so if you consider this equation, then we can take any. So y equal to, if I take here a b bar plus a common, right, this becomes b bar plus b, and according to ORing laws, b bar plus b is equal to 1. Okay, so then this equation becomes y equal to a bar b plus a. Now there is one rule here, a bar b plus a is equal to a plus b. So while looking at different Boolean laws, we have proved this, we have already proved this, right? So my y equal to a plus b. So this is what we are getting, and conceptually we had written y equal to, for OR gate it is a plus b, considering two input variable. Okay, so going conceptually, or maybe going with these concepts, we are getting the same output, right? So sounds very interesting. So this is how all these concepts are correlated. Okay, now let's try for NAND gate. Our third gate is NAND gate. Okay, so what is a conceptual equation for NAND gate is y equal to a b whole bar. Okay, and we have used De Morgan's theorem here. If you remember two of the De Morgan's theorem, then one theorem states that for y equal to a b whole bar, this bar can be divided as a bar plus b bar, right? So we have also proved this. So this expression is as good as the expression of NAND gate. Okay, now considering the truth table for NAND gate, so it is 0 0, we have a b, 0 1 1 0 1 1. NAND means opposite of AND gate, so here it is 1 1 1 0, right? Because for this AND gate, you can see we have this 0 0 0 and 1, so it is opposite. Now here we have to refer for these three inputs, right? So 1 2 3, we have y1 y2 y3. Okay, so my y1 is a bar b bar, right? My y2 is a bar b, and my y3 is equal to a b bar. Okay, so this becomes y equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3, since we are trying to write the equation in SOP form. Okay, so this becomes y equal to a bar b bar plus a bar b plus a b bar. Again taking this common, a bar, okay, b bar plus b plus a b bar. So this becomes a bar plus a b bar. So we have one more this equation, where this equation where a bar plus a b bar equal to a bar plus b bar, right? Therefore y equal to a bar plus b bar. So can you see this equation we have got, which is equal to NAND gate. Okay, so this is as good as a b whole bar, right? So I'm just trying to figure out or show you how these concepts are correlated. Now we did not even imagine that with this concept we can prove the equations of different gates. Okay, so similarly you can go for different these gates and try. So you can go for NOR gate. Try for NOR gate. NOR gate equation is a plus b whole bar, which is equal to a bar dot b bar. So you may get your equation in this form or in this form. Okay. So I hope you have understood this, and then you can go for XOR gate also. So we have seen for this, right? You can go for XNOR gate. We have already seen for XOR gate. So I want you to try for NOR gate and XNOR gate. These concepts. Prove the equations for XNOR gate and NOR gate with help of SOP and this min terms, just for your understanding purpose. Okay, so this is all for this lecture. Thank you.